Hello everyone. In this video, I will share you the PET syllabus for computer science subject. PET is a PhD entrance test. So, for computer science, what is the syllabus? The 10 most important units, and from that, highlighted concept from where definitely question asked in examination. So, here by this video, I will share these important topics with all of you. So, first unit is computer fundamental, and from this unit types of memory, language translators, what is assembler, interpreter, compiler, basic logic gates, and or not, combinational circuit. From these topics definitely question asked, so be prepared this topic. After that, the second unit, that is computer networking or computer networks. From this unit again question asked from the networking types, LAN, WAN, MAN. After that, the types of signals, what is analog and digital. From there, one of the question can definitely ask in exam. After this, the concept of synchronous and asynchronous transmission, magnetic medium, what is twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optics cable. From these magnetic media, also question definitely ask in exam. After this, the different topologies with their advantages and disadvantages. For example, bus topology, ring topology, star, tree, and mesh topology. Definitely, question will ask from these highlighted topics. So be prepared these topics for the PATE examination. After this, the third unit is based on operating system. From this operating system, definitely a question asked from boot processing or booting processing. Then what is the multitasking? What is multi-user programming? Introduction to Linux operating system, definitely question asked from this unit. And the main concept from the concurrent processing, what is mutual exclusion, what is critical. So definitely question asked from mutual questions asked from mutual exclusion, critical regions, lock and unlock. After that, scheduling concept, what is CPU scheduling, input output scheduling, resource scheduling, deadlock scheduling algorithms, and Panker's algorithm for deadlock handling. Definitely a question asked from this. After this, the fourth point, that is fourth unit is based on programming languages. So from this again, what is program concept? You have to know the what is algorithm, flow chart, symbols. Then the concept of recursion, cohesion and coupling. What is programming testing and debugging, and C++ and C programs difference. So definitely these topics are more important for the examination. After this, the fifth unit is on depend on database management system. From this also types of databases, language, different language से question हमेशा पूछे जाता है. What is DDL, DML, data definition language, data manipulation language, then the structure of DBMS, then pre-level architecture से हमेशा क्वेश्चन आता है. What is entity relationship model, entity and entity set, relationship and relationship set. What is keys, different types of keys, primary key, foreign key, composite key. So definitely question asked from these points. After that, aggregation concept and different keys, as I told you, candidate key, primary key, alternate key, super key, foreign key. So you have to know the difference of these keys. Definitely question asked from this topic. So be prepared this unit. The next unit is data structure unit. From this, the question asked from the concept of algorithm, sorting algorithms, and linked list searching algorithms. So definitely prepare, and the stack is very important, data structure. So prepare this also, this topic also very well. You have to get 4 to 5 questions from this unit. Next unit is software engineering unit. From this unit also the question asked from SDLC steps, then the spiral model, software design, software quality and reliability, and software re-engineering, different testing level metrics. So definitely question asked from this topic. So be prepared this 7 unit, that is software engineering. The next unit, most important topics from the e-commerce, द इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एक्ट 2000. बहुत बार ईयर भी पूछा जाता है कि इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एक्ट कब इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ, तो यू हैव टू नो द 2000 इज़ द ईयर फॉर दैट. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट इज़ द कंसेप्ट ऑफ फायरवॉल, व्हाट इज़ ईमेल, what is internet, what is network, what is website, what is www. So the basic, all the basic concepts are covered in this course, and basic questions asked from this unit. So be prepared this 8 unit, that is e-commerce unit. After that discrete mathematics. From this discrete mathematics unit वेन डायग्राम से क्वेश्चन आता है, सेट थ्योरी से क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. व्हाट इज टोटोलॉजी, कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन, कंटिंजेंसी, वैलिडिटी ऑफ आर्ग्यूमेंट, प्रिडिकेट एंड प्रीपोजिशन. डेफिनेटली क्वेश्चन प्रॉब्लम आस्क फ्रॉम दिस सेट. सबसेट से भी क्वेश्चन आता है. आपको एक क्वेश्चन दिया जाता है, उसका सबसेट बताओ, सेट निकालो, यूनियन फाइंड आउट करो. यहाँ से क्वेश्चन डेफिनेटली पूछा जाता है. सो बी प्रिपेयर दिस यूनिट ऑल्सो. एंड द नेक्स्ट लास्ट यूनिट इज द current trends in IT. It is most important unit. From that, what is parallel virtual machine, PVM से क्वेश्चन आपको पूछा जाता है. Then the switching, different switching methods, mobile framework, then e-supply chain architecture, major trends in ESCM and their examples. So be prepared this unit also, it is very helpful.